A U.S. military ground raid in northwestern Syria has captured a top ISIS leader, according to the U.S.-led anti-ISIS coalition. A U.S. defense official said there were no injuries to U.S. military personnel and no damage to aircraft involved in the raid. Coalition forces detained a senior Daesh leader during an operation in Syria June 16, Operation Inherent Resolve said in a statement. The detained individual was assessed to be an experienced bomb maker and facilitator who became one of the group's top leaders in Syria. U.S. military ground raids into northwestern Syria are risky because they are carried out far west from U.S. bases in eastern Syria in areas that are controlled either by extremists or Syrian president's government. The terror group was militarily defeated in Syria in 2019 and since then, its leaders have gone into hiding to prevent being targeted by U.S. forces.